Mommy, get the key. Oh, please, wait. Get the key. Go. Oh, hurry up. Oh, Gina, you'll be fine. You'll be fine.
You didn't tell me you were coming. Why are you here?
I came to see you.
See me?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Anyway, I got this for you. Got this for you.
Hello. These flowers are not for me.
Good afternoon, Ma.
My dear, how are you?
Fine, thank you, Ma.
Thank you. Now you've met who you want to see, right?
Oh, yes. Yes,
Wait.
I have.
I don't understand the flowers.
They're for you. Take them.
For me?
Yes.
And why would you get me flowers? Huh? What is wrong with you, Donald? I've told you countlessly that I do not want anything aside friendship. If you want a relationship, here is my sister. After all, she's looking for one. Excuse me.
Gina, what has come over you? Okay, Gina!
I'm so sorry.
Why is she doing all this?
You see, the thing is that things are just complicated here. I'm sorry.
Complicated how? That's what I'm trying to understand. Why she want to be in a relationship?
I don't think it's in my position to start telling you about these things, okay? I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll try to talk to her.
Thank you.
I'll try. Yeah, fine.
Wow.
Thank you.
Sis, we need to talk. Oh, Bella, what did you say about knocking? To hell with that, okay? We need to talk. Okay, I won't have you say one more word with that tone when you and I know that I'm older than you.
Okay. Again, to hell with that. Sis, if you want to be addressed as an elder sister, then I think it's time for you to start acting like one.
Just cutting into you, Bella. Why are you talking to me like that?
Well, I should be talking to you. Sis, I can't believe you're rejecting a guy that sincerely loves you for who you are.
Because, listen, he doesn't know, right? If he finds out about my condition, you see him running like the other guys. Trust me.
And sis, I have told you countlessly that Donald is different. Can't you see it? Can't you feel it? He loves you.
Oh, I hear you. Please, I've said it countless times that I am not interested in any man. I don't want a relationship.
Oh, really?
I don't want. Listen, if you are interested, you can go, okay? I give you my blessings. I'm not interested.
Sis, you know you're not being reasonable right now.
Thank you.
I hope you don't regret this.
You'll be fine.
You like the wine?
Mm-hmm. It's fine. I like it. Thank you.
So is their food.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I can't wait.
It's a nice place.
How did you find this place?
Well, it's a special place I normally come to chill. So I decided to bring you here too.
Thank you, babe. I like it.
Thank you.
Why are you staring?
You see, Gina, there is absolutely nothing I will tell you now or say to you now that I've not said before.
Eh?
Yes, you mean the whole world to me.
Aww, same here. What are you doing?
So that I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
No way.
Marry me. Please. Please say yes.
Say yes, say yes. Say yes, say yes. Say yes, say yes. Say yes.
So, please say yes.
What is it? What was it? What is it? Linda! Somebody help! Somebody help! Gina! Gina, what is it? Somebody help! Somebody help! Help! Gina! Gina, please.
Get her water. You'll be fine, okay? I promise you'll be fine. You'll be fine.
How can you even say that? If you were the one, would you still come back?
Gina. Listen, Mike loves you. He is shocked and it's okay. Just give him time.
Time for what exactly, Mom? Time for what? No man who wants to be with anyone like me.
Don't say that, Gina.
But it's the truth. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
It's okay,
I'm
let me
sorry.
help you. It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, let me help you.
Gina, you'll be fine. Can everyone stop saying it? I'm tired of hearing this.
We won't because that's the truth.
What's the truth?
I'm the one that asked you to go out there to be in a relationship. I did.
Okay, everyone, I'm done. I'm done with this topic. I mean, it's already draining me now. I'm done with men. I don't want to have anything to do with any of them. I'm done.
Gina.
I'll be with everyone, please. Do you need help?
Gina.
Do you need any help? It's okay. Go away, just go. Gina, Gina, it's me, Bella. Please open the door.
I just want to be left alone. Just go. Go away.
Gina, you know you can talk to me, right?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now?
How old are you now? How old are you now?
How old are you now?
I am +1 today. I am +1 today. I am +1. I am +1. I am +1 today.
For she's a jolly good fellow. For she's a jolly good fellow. For she's a jolly good fellow. And so says all of us. Hooray! And so says all of us. Hooray! And so say all of us. Hooray! Okay, we are going to cut the cake now.
Alright.
So place your hand on the cake.
Gina?
As we'll spell Gina, right? Bella. Gina. Gina, hip hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip hip. Hooray! Jesus!
Mommy,
Get the key.
oh please, wait. Get the car key. Go. Hurry up. Oh,
Gina, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine.
Gina, we are sisters. We are family. You have mom, you have me. Gina, we love you so much, okay? We are going to overcome this together. It's not the end of the world. I'm sure you're going to be fine. I'm always here for you. And you know that you're the dearest person to my heart in this whole wide world. I promise you, you're going to be fine. Look at me. Okay? Just don't give up. It's okay.
Who's there? Mercy? Eh? Come around. Good morning, ma. You wake? What were you doing in there? A big madam say make I come bath you. Sorry. She say make I put water, make you take bath. You go bath now? What? Just one. Please just leave. I don't almost do finish. If I don't put the water finish, I go dey go. See, I said leave now. Go! Sorry, small madam.
Come here.
Peel it.
Everything.
Yes, everything.
Okay.
Why are you smiling?
Nothing.
Just be careful, don't hurt yourself.
Okay.
Peel it.
Okay.
Is she awake?
Yes, madam, don't wait. She come pursue me, come up for her room.
Did you do what I asked you?
Yeah, but don't they put it? You don't understand. Why will you have Mercy run my bath?
Well, good morning to you, sweetie.
I'm sorry. Good morning. But why will you have Mercy do that as if I'm a child?
I don't want you to stress yourself after yesterday.
I am fine.
I know you are. I'm just trying not to. I don't want you to stress yourself, so I asked her to do it. I just want to make things easier for you.
But you're rather doing the opposite. I don't like it. I'm fine. Stop making me feel like I'm handicapped or something. It's not nice.
You better go and talk to your sister.
Why would I? You're the one she's mad at, not me. Yeah? Small madam, don't they mad?
Oh, shut up. Come on, get out and go and look for something to do. And where's she going to? Get back there. By the time I get back here, you're done. And you better finish up with this before I get back.
Yes, ma'am. Hey. Hey, I know one man from my village, and they kill mad people, sharp, you know. Mercy, she's not mad, okay? I meant the other mad, not mad, like, Hey, in case my madam don't they mad, people na talk. Just do this thing.
Can I come in?
You're already in. You can as well just come inside and sit.
Gina. Gina. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to upset you. Honestly, I just don't want you to stress yourself out. That's why I asked Mercy to do it instead.
That's the problem, Mom. That's the problem. I don't need anybody's help. I mean, I want to do things every other person does for themselves, myself. I can work. I can cook, clean, wash. I can even prepare my own bathing water. I need to do it myself. I don't need anyone's help. That's the problem.
It's okay. I've heard you. I will stop trying so hard now that you insist. Okay? But I don't want you to stress yourself. If there's anything you need, if there's anything you want us to do, please let me know. We are ready to help you. We want to help you.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too. Okay. Now you have to get up, get dressed, and come downstairs for breakfast, okay?
Okay, Mom.
Mommy? It's been a while you call me that.
You're my mommy, aren't you?
I guess I am. So hurry up.
All right, sure, Mom.
Okay, darling.
See you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Remember you said you are going to give me money?
Bella, that is the one you will remember. If I send you an errand now, you will tell me, Mommy, I forgot. But for money, no, you won't forget.
Hey, Mommy, but you said I should remind you.
And you're reminding me. Okay. After food, I'll give it to you.
Thank you, Mommy. You're the best mom in the whole world.
And then the food stuff. I need Mercy to check it so she'll go and get some of the food stuff.
No, you don't need to bother. I can do it myself. Please don't give me that look. The supermarket is just close by. Trust me, I can go there.
Tina, are you sure?
Mommy, you know I don't like staying indoors. Let me just do it.
You know what? I'll follow her.
Oh, yeah. Bella will come with me.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, won't I come with you before?
Calm down, madam. Who wants you there?
By the way, this place is actually nice.
Yeah.
It's nice. They asked you to prepare now.
I don't like cutting.
Lazy drunk. Mom, I want to do it. I told you I can. Why will you turn into soccer when you're not even watching it?
Just leave me alone.
You're going to change it. What?
Nothing.
Then concentrate.
Who's
Yeah.
And a list of things to get.
Okay. Alright.
Hope you've taken your drugs.
Mom, I'm fine. I'm okay. Yes. I've taken my drugs and I'll be going with Bella. So, I'm in safe hands.
Superwoman.
Oh, you wish. Mom, you worry too much.
Okay, I agree.
Mom, I'm going to use your card to get some.
She has already written it here and pocket money. I swear. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, go now.
I'll just get my bag. Okay. Come on. Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Yeah, hi.
My name is Donald. What's your name?
Can I help you?
You had just moved in recently trying to make friends around the estate. Please.
No. I've got it. Can I help you?
Do you stay around?
Why?
I just moved in recently.
It's none of my business. Can I help you? What?
I just want to make a friend, that's all. Can I just get your number? Let me just text you sometime or...
I don't understand. My number for what?
Okay, let me pay for your stuff.
I don't understand. Do I look hungry to you?
No way.
Why would you say that? Is that what you do? Like you just go around paying for girl stuff?
No, that's
Please
not
don't
true.
stop me, okay? I don't know who you are. I'm sure you do that to every girl you see on the way. Excuse me. Don't follow me, stop her. Let's go.
Just tell me your name. Oh.
Can you remind me what you're still doing here?
Well, I'm waiting for you to finish so you can give me the gist.
Gist every time. What gist again, Bella?
The guy you met at the supermarket. I want you to give me every single detail so I can go to bed in peace.
You need to see how you look now. Wait, What do you want to hear? You sound so jobless because it's so clear you have nothing to do.
Sis, leave all this long talk. Give me the gist, I beg.
Sis, okay. What exactly do you want to hear?
Well, I want you to tell me that maybe he's someone you know, someone you're trying to reconnect with, stuff like that.
I do not know him.
Sis, you don't know him. You literally spoke to this guy for more than 5 minutes.
Yeah, it just happened.
Okay. Is he handsome?
What sort of question is that? Bella, wait, why would you be asking me if he's handsome? Okay, weren't you there? Didn't you see him?
Apparently, I did not see him because you were standing right in front of him. You were covering his face. That's why I couldn't see him. And I was even thinking maybe someone I knew. That's why you were hiding him from me.
Okay, that's it. Time to go to bed. Up. Get up. Go to bed.
This is what about my gist?
What gist? Are you okay? Please, there's no gist. You should sleep now. Yeah. Go to bed. Thank you so much.
Okay. Yeah. Is he handsome?
You must be crazy. Better leave. Leave. Good night. Bye. Thank you. Good riddance. Jeez. Is he handsome? Such question.
All these tomatoes, everything that they buy, you know, even right. Make I go market, they no go agree.
Ma, have you added spice to this?
Yes, big madam, I don't put everything.
Mercy, but I told you to let me know before you do anything. Mercy, whatever we are doing, we have to do it moderate because of Gina.
Yes, big madam, I know say not because of small madam, so the spices where I put in and be small like this, she can just put inside because even
Shut up! The instruction was for you to tell me first before you put anything. Let me check it. You're lucky. This is good. But next time, Mercy, next time, let me know.
Okay, big madam. Yeah, no, it's not because of...
Shut up! I didn't ask you.
Yeah, I don't even know what this is. It's small madam, cause small madam, everything now small. Pepe, we're not going to put pepe, we're not going to put salt, we're not going to put mark. I don't know. I don't know. Hey.
Hello. Morning.
Where are you going?
I'm going jogging.
Gina, you are not strong enough. You're not going anywhere. Do you want to give me heart attack?
It's just jogging. Moreover, the doctor said I need a little bit of exercising to get better. That's what I'm trying to do.
Gina, I said no. This girl, do you want to kill me?
Mom, it's just around the neighborhood, just around this estate. I can do it. Moreover, you're not dining anytime soon. Let me just go.
So, what if attack starts? What happened? No, tell me, what are you going to do? Bella!
Yes, Mom. Honestly, if you ask me, I can just go. I like jogging.
And I'm not even asking you. So, don't
Just like jogging.
Bella, get dressed. You're following Gina for jogging.
What? Wait, but why?
Either she's going with you or you forget it. The choice is yours.
Okay, let me go get changed. But this is not nice now. Why would I? I'm not a child. I can do this on my
I
own.
know you are not a child, but I won't allow you go alone for crying out loud.
It's going to take ages getting ready.
Hurry up, Bella.
Can I get going and you join me?
No. Wait for her.
Hurry up!
Why are you so slow? Huh?
I'm sorry. Can you just slow down? You're too fast.
You know, at times I question myself who the sick one really is. You or me.
Why would you just wake up and decide to start jogging?
But I never asked Mom to tell you to come. You're dragging me behind.
Okay.
Hurry up. Alright, please, just come. Come. Get going.
Alright, let me just catch my breath.
What breath? Come.
Seriously. Hi. I'm so sorry to bother you.
Hi.
Well, I think I'm lost. I'm looking for road 35. I just moved in recently. It's pretty confusing.
Road 35 is... I think you've passed it. It's just
Passed it?
Yeah.
Hey. I know you.
You again?
What are you doing with my sister?
I don't know you.
You guys know each other?
No.
Yes.
No, I don't know him.
I know her.
Wow. So my sister knows a handsome guy that lives around.
Bella, I do not know him, Bella. Come, let's go.
Why don't you come to the house to have dinner with us? My mom will be so glad to meet you.
Crazy. No, Bella, don't do that.
Perfect. Yes, I will.
Okay, let me just get your number.
Okay, alright, cool.
Yeah, our house is just down the road.
Down the road.
Yes.
What are you doing? Are you crazy? Alright,
See you around.
yeah.
Bella, I don't want to see you in the house. Don't try it. Bella, what did you just do? No, don't run. I'm really... Please, do not run. Stop. Why would you invite... No, you are wrong, Bella. I don't understand you. Why would you even do that? Sis, what is it? Giving a stranger, like a total stranger, your number and a house address. Why would you do that?
A stranger?
Yeah.
Since we're literally talking to that guy.
And so, at the mall, right?
Yeah.
And so, I don't know him. It's some stalker that was just following me around. And can you imagine? He even wanted to pay for our stuff. Why would he want to do that in the first place? Clearly, he wants something. He had an ulterior motive. That's why he wanted to do that.
Calm down? Can you just calm down?
What?
Yeah, relax. Don't you think you're overthinking this whole thing?
Overthinking what? Yeah. Babes, open your eyes. He clearly wants something bad. And coming to this house for dinner, it's a no-no.
What's going on?
Mom, can you imagine? We went jogging. You see why I didn't want her to come? Can you imagine that Bella gave some guy called Donald her number? Not only that, she invited him for dinner. Why would she do that?
Mom.
That's why I didn't want her to come.
No, Mom. See, this guy is someone she knows. I know. We both know this guy.
I do not know this person. He's a psychopath.
And what is wrong inviting him over for dinner?
Exactly.
Mom, why would you say that? Everything is wrong. We do not know him. What is he coming to this house to do? That's too much of information.
Can you just calm down? Don't you think you just...
There's nothing wrong in inviting him over for dinner. There's nothing wrong with that.
Going upstairs. I need to take a shower.
There's nothing wrong with that. Keep on saying this. There's nothing wrong with that.
And you better stop pushing people away.
A stalker over for dinner. You better call the police because this person might be crazy. Gina, you will never following me. Ever.
Hurry up and come down for breakfast.
What? You really do not have any shame, do you?
Shameful what? I'm just honoring an invitation.
Really? Well, it's best you leave right now. Moreover, the one who invited you is not home, so just go. Leave.
What have I done wrong, Gina? What?
Are you seriously asking me that question?
Yes, I am.
I want you to leave. Just go. I don't want to do anything drastic.
Gina, hold on.
Go.
Gina.
Mom.
Who is that?
It's no one.
What do you mean it's no one? Who is at the door?
Why? There's no one there.
If no one is there, then why are you standing here like a creep?
Bella, open the door.
Okay.
It's Bella.
Gina!
Mom.
Hi, come in.
Thank you.
Get out. Yeah, Mom, meet Donald, my mom.
Hello, ma. Nice to meet you, ma.
Thank you. Just make yourself comfortable.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bella told me you're friends with Gina.
Yes. Somehow.
Please sit down. Sit down. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I'll set the table.
Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Just feel at home, okay?
Yes.
Ahead.
It's nice to see you.
Nice to see you again. Oh, yes, you're okay.
Yeah. Okay, so what do you want? Do you want water, juice, anything? Just name it. We have everything.
Water is fine.
Water then. Okay. I'll be right back.
All right. Thank you. You are saying.
Do not say anything.
You okay?
This is really, really nice. Good compliment to the chef.
Thank you. So, Donald, tell me about yourself.
Oh, I'm a very simple boy. I graduated from University of Benin.
Okay.
Yes, I'm a fashion designer.
I see.
And I moved in around here recently.
Oh, you stay around here?
Yes.
Oh, really? How do you see the area?
Oh, calm and quiet, just how I like it. Yes.
So tell me, what about your parents?
Oh, they're all fine. Dad and mom, they're all good. Yeah.
What do you do for a living?
I said fashion design, mom.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you said that. Anyway, once again, you're welcome.
Thank you so much, mom. The food, perfect.
Thank you.
Are you okay?
Hey, Sissy. Hey, can you at least knock? Bella.
Oh, my bad. I'm so sorry.
My door.
Sorry. I was too excited. I forgot to close the door. So sorry. Oh, okay. Sis, here for my gist.
Gist? Wait. Is there any gist you kept for me to hold?
Sis,
Wait. What the hell are you doing? What's that?
God, you're such a fun killer, sis. Okay, let me just get straight to the point. Okay. I want us to talk about Donald. What are you guys talking about?
Bella, please. I am not in for this tonight. I am tired and I need to sleep.
So you want to leave me in the dark?
Dark? What dark? The light is still on. But please, when you're going to bed, when you're leaving this room, shut the door and turn off the lights. Thank you. Good night.
Sis?
Bella, it's past your bedtime. Go to bed. You're on gist.
Okay.
Yeah, good night.
Are you sure you don't want to gist?
Good night, Bella. Good you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good night.
Thank you. My dog.
Yes, no, madam. This thing where you dey do now, as I be do where you just want to carry me, put me inside wahala.
Mercy, calm down. I can do this myself. It's okay.
God, oh, so madam, okay. You think madam come here now? She gonna even to give her a little they do this kind of thing. She don't carry you play. You just carry me some boy inside wahala. I see, only our papa is two wife. He got 10 children. All these 10 children they just double bed. You think madam come here now, sack me for something else?
Mercy, calm down. When my mom comes, I know how to handle her, okay? Mom, hey, mommy.
What are you doing?
Well, actually, there's a way I wanted this fried, so I decided to do it myself.
Why didn't you describe it for her so she can do it? What are you doing? What's wrong with you? Don't you know you're not supposed to be in here? Why do you like playing with your health for crying out loud?
Calm down. I'm okay. I can do this. Just trust me.
Don't tell me to calm down. You're not supposed to be in here.
It's okay, Mom. Just let me do this, okay? I'm fine.
I'll help you do this.
Yeah, me say I'm the
Come close. It's not even funny.
Alright.
Just please.
Okay.
Please. This is not funny. We're talking about your health here. And shut after you come and shut it up. Are you not supposed to be doing this?
I told you I can handle it. Are you crying now? You are so dramatic. Shush.
Just tell me how you want it.
Man, this is the same thing I was doing.
You are not even supposed to be in this kitchen.
Hey man.
Yo, my fool.
What's up? You're back home early.
Oh, man, she didn't show up, oh guy.
There is always another day. If you didn't see her today, definitely you see her tomorrow. So that's not supposed to be a problem now.
I really wanted to see her today.
Come. Are you sure this girl did not take your name to Shiloh? Because you did sound like somebody who say they deny biscuits.
What kind of nonsense talk with that?
No verse. Calm down, no verse. But I won't understand something. This one is so much in hurry to see her today. What happened?
Some of us need good influence around our lives. Do you understand? We're intentional about our future.
Well, it's fine. Since you want to see her that urgent, why not go to her house and visit her?
Yo. That'll be alright, Abby.
Why wouldn't that be? Yeah, it's fine by me. Yes. You know you're my good friend and I want the best for you. You know you for years. See, you did this girl. See that Gina girl? She need to date this family. Abba, she dey give us better. You know as they be now. More they chop better food now.
Enough.
Man, where are you going to now?
No, I know what to do now.
Whenever I bring this girl issue, you always walk out on me. See that girl? She need to do this house. What's happening? See me, I won't finish now. Maybe she cook better food for us. But you, no, Gina need to be in this family. I need Gina in this family. See, if not be Gina, guy, Donna, if not be Gina, nobody else. It's fine. I need someone like her in this family. Yes, now. Like for you, I need someone like her in this family. What's it you do?
I'm stretched. Okay.
But Jimo.
Okay. Just trying to myself. Sit.
Do that again.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Like this.
Okay. That's it. Who's at the door? Mercy!
I sent Mercy on an errand to help me get something down the street.
And you allow me shouting. My friend, get the door.
Oh, hi.
Hi. Hello.
Donald.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you, Mom?
Good. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Please come in and sit down. Sit down, please.
Thank you.
Make yourself comfortable.
Yeah. I hope everything is fine.
Yeah, hope I'm not intruding anything.
No, not at all.
Just came to pay Gina a quick visit.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Please just feel at home, okay?
Thank you, Mom.
Go get Gina.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Okay, Mom. Who's this?
And what's with the smile on your face? What's going on?
Well, you have a visitor.
A visitor? Who's that?
It's Donald. He wants to say.
What does he want?
I don't know, but he said he wants to see you.
Well, tell him I'm not home. Sis, you are not home. But this is you in bed, in body and soul. Okay, let me guess. You're a spirit then.
Okay, fine. Yes, I'm a spirit.
Sis, come on.
Hey, Bella, please, I'm not in the mood. I'm not at home. It's that I'm not at home. How hard is it for you to understand? Just tell him that.
Sis, okay, what do you expect me to tell him now?
I'm not home, Bella. Go.
I'll tell him to come upstairs. So.
Don't you dare. Don't. I'm not at home. Shut the door. Okay.
And how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Please feel at home. Do you need anything?
No. I'm fine, ma. Thank
Are
you.
you sure? Not even water.
I'm fine.
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Where's Gina?
The thing is,
Where's Gina?
Yeah.
the thing is, she's in the bathroom. She says she's purging.
Purging.
Is she alright?
Yeah, she's fine. Don't worry.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. You will not be able to see her today. Maybe some other time.
Oh, that's okay, ma. Thank you very much. I'll be on my way now.
Take care.
Bye.
Okay then. What do you mean she's purging? Hey! This girl will not kill me. Where is she?
She's in her room. She doesn't want to come out.
But Gina, why didn't you come down to say hi to him? At least.
I did not want to. Mom, I wonder why we're still having this conversation.
Because I want you to make friends. And you're rejecting him.
I'm not interested. Friends, boyfriends, whatever it is, I don't want. I just want to live my life myself. And with you guys. Till whenever.
Oh, please. You have to stop being uptight. Open up. And stop isolating yourself from people.
Trust me, Mom. It's what's best for everyone. Excuse me, Mom. Thank you.
Why?
I just lost my appetite. I can have your portion. Oh, fine.
What's...
Here.
Eat. Gina!
Mom, thank you. No, don't worry. I'll talk to her.
What did I say wrong?
Don't worry. She don't go to
Gina!
Oh, yo, hi, baby.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hi, Gina. You okay? The last time I came to your house, you were not feeling too good.
Yeah, something like that. Can I help you?
Gina, please. I just want to know you better. Just give me a chance. I want to be friends with you.
What do you want? Please, let's go.
Can I get your number at least?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, sure.
Call it
00.
00
Yeah. 22
22
10
10
68 21.
21. Alright. I'll call you.
Yeah.
Thank you. I listen to you.
My G.
Gang gang.
Hi. You guys friends and what? Why is this shaking like that? Wow. This is so. Is your Wi-Fi still connected? I don't know. I guess the network is just bad.
I think so.
How come? How come? What's... Hello? Donald. Donald. Why would you be calling me by this time?
I'm so sorry. Hope I'm not interrupting something.
You are, actually. Please go straight to the point. Lunch?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sure.
Okay, cool. Can I come pick you up by 1 o'clock? Sure. All right, perfect. I'll be there then.
Yeah, bye. All right.
My sister is officially going on a date with
doing?
a man again.
Like, I trust you now. You know, manchi. You know, man. See, I'll cooking do me for you this night.
Food, too much. Man, don't even know your own self. 1 o'clock, we outside.
No, Bella, I'm not going anywhere.
No, you are.
No.
Yes, you are. Yes, you're going. Okay, let's plan this. What are you going to be wearing?
Tell me what?
What do you think is gonna look good?
Nothing. I'm not doing this. Hot for who?
For Donald.
Who is he? Come on. Stop
I'm
leaving.
just so happy for you.
Just leaving in la. Stop this. Get out. I'm not going anywhere.
Going.
I'm not going anywhere.
You just have to figure out where you're going to because you need to look hot.
What do you think you're doing? Hot? For who? Please help me get. No.
No, let's plan this.
I don't want to plan anything.
Okay,
I'm
not
not.
like I will just return.
I don't know any girl. I don't know any girl.
There's for you. Bye.
Well, shall we?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, let's go.
Are you going somewhere? You want us to drop you?
No, I'm coming with you guys.
You won't even know she's there.
Really?
Yeah, Bella, come.
Let's go. Let's go.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Gina, I hope you enjoyed yourself.
Wasn't bad.
So can we do this some other time?
We'll see.
Just us this time around.
We'll see.
Good night.
Yeah, good night. Bye.
All right, good night.
All right. Bye. So why did you have to hide?
Has he gone?
You're asking me. Yes, he's gone. Why did you have to hide? You would have just...
What's going?
Look, Mom.
She's there. Oh.
Hi, Mom. Yes.
So tell me, what were you talking about? Did anything?
Well, nothing much. He just wanted to know if we could go out again alone.
And what did you tell him?
We'll see.
What do you mean we'll see? Is that an answer?
I don't know. We'll see. Because I'm not sure.
Do you know what you mean you will see? That young man is obvious he's interested in you.
He better not, because I am so not interested.
Why won't you be interested? This man is handsome and he's decent. So why won't you be interested?
Plus, I think he's rich.
Oh yes, plus that.
Mom, I don't know. I'm not interested. I don't know if we're going to see again. I don't just want him. I'm not interested in all this. And please, if you both will excuse me, I have to retire to my room. I'm tired and white.
Gina, you have to think about this, honestly.
There's nothing to say. I'm so tired.
Yeah, you have to think about it too. You have to think about it.
Oh, hey man. Okay. So how was your date? I'm good. So tell me, how was your date?
How was my date? My date was not dating at all, guy. We had company.
I don't understand. What do you mean by you had company?
Her sister came along.
It means you have a third wheel?
Bro, I felt like the third wheel. Do you understand? Like, she didn't even give me any attention at all.
Didn't you say you have feelings for her? So why not be a man and ask her out? Yes, that's the proper thing to do.
Do you know how long it took me before Gina became my friend? Friend, though. Now you just want me to walk up to her out of the blue and ask her out. Really? That's how you did do your own.
Okay.
Things take time now.
But let's see how far it will go for you to ask her out.
Let me sabi.
No wahala now. You know my guy. last now you go see cooking indomie for me. This is no one has that get But Gina, make you take something to give you liver. When you see woman, you fit that project very well.
Wait, you're still here? Please. Can't you try to be nice at least for just a minute?
Why are you so strict and always keeping to yourself like what I don't know? Why would you be asking me that question? Am I not your sister?
Wait, what was that?
What was what?
That. Like you just switched off on me like you've been aching to say that. Tell me about it. What was it about?
Sis, I don't get it. Why not give Donald a chance? I really like him for you.
Oh, that's so cute. What was I expecting?
Well, I don't think he's like the other guys. He's really a nice person, I can tell.
Interesting. Wait, Bella. How sure are you?
Well, I've seen the way he looks at you.
Touching.
Okay, now. Please, Bella, thank you very much for being the sweetest sister in the world. But please, I beg of you, Donald and I are just friends. I don't know. And I beg of you, Bella, please, he's just a friend to me. All right? Nothing else, and please don't expect anything from us. All right? Let's just leave it at that.
You know what? Suit yourself. I'm going to bed.
All right. Good night. Why the face? Thank you. Hey, Bella. My door. Spoiled brat. Pick two. Pick now.
General market.
I don't mind.
I think I won't let you win this card. Never possible.
Let's keep playing now.
It's like
My
normal.
dreams.
So, general market. Good job. I think I'll let you win
Your
this game.
dreams.
You're not winning there. Just stick
Wait
it.
now. Last card.
How is it?
How?
How is the last card now?
I told you.
Damn it.
I told you again and again. And the next.
I don't even know what you're doing today.
Donald,
Yeah?
Don't tell me you let her win again.
Honestly, I don't know what the sister is using today. She's in jazz,
You
honestly.
don't know how to play anything. You're still learning.
I'm letting you win, alright?
Oh, I hear you.
Enjoy your moment.
No, let's play again.
Gina,
You're
enjoy
playing with the Queen of Words, mind you. She will never win. Can we try again?
I can see you guys are having fun.
Mom, guess what?
Tell me.
I won him like 5-0. Doesn't know how to play anything.
No, I'm letting her win.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
You let her win.
You're home now.
Wait, what's your name again? Donal. Oh my god, remaining one. Just one game and I'll spell your name.
Yeah, we'll still win.
I'll spell your name 6-0. Let's just make it 6-0.
More important things to
Tell me you're scared.
I'm not
Come
scared,
on,
I'm
just
going.
one. You're going?
Yes.
You're leaving already.
Yes, Mama.
No, don't tell me you're not going to stay back and eat my food.
Next time, Mama, please. Next time.
Okay, if you say so. Gina, say him off.
Me? He knows his way out.
Gina.
Okay, Mom.
Alright,
This
bye,
way,
Mom.
please.
Okay, darling.
Anyway, you're so scared. That's why you're running.
scared. I'm
Scaredy cat. You're scared. Well, thank you for spending time with me. I sure enjoyed myself.
Just tell blessings. Come on, clear your space.
Alright.
I'm really glad you did.
Mm-hmm.
Hug?
You. Yeah, sure. Thank you. What? What? Why did you do that?
It was just a harmless peck.
Harmless? You call this harmless? You never try this.
Gina.
Why would you peg me in the first place? Perfect.
Oh, big now. Damn.
Oh my god! What is it? Oh, can you just imagine? He pegged me! Oh my god.
Just peg.
What do you mean by just peg? Do you know how annoying and disgusting that was?
Sis, don't you think you're overreacting? It was just a peg.
Really?
I don't think he meant any harm.
Gina, what is wrong with you? Donald is a good boy. If you ask me, he just wants to show you how he feels. That's all.
Exactly. Wow, how nice. You know what? I've had enough in just one day and I'll be in my room. Why are you always signing me? I don't understand. Who gave you every week to peg me in the first place? That's so disgusting and annoying.
Mom, you know sometimes it's a little bit crazy. Come on, let me just go talk to her.
Just peg.
Gina, hold on.
And you don't go and look for her trouble.
Gina, come here. Just simple.
Hey, Donald.
How far, bro?
Yeah, I'm good. I thought you were coming from Gina's place.
Yeah, I just came back.
Oh, nice. So, how was it?
Good. That's good.
Donald, you're always not sure. It's 3 weeks now, and you're still not sure. What is it?
O'Shea, accurate timekeeper.
Ezeh, I'm so sorry, you understand. But thing is, I know you love this girl so much. I would just want to know, what will it take for you to talk to this girl? We need her by our side.
What's your name? Ma, please just carry your cross. Look, I carry my cross. We go at the go jejely. I beg.
Oh, now I see. You are now Jesus Christ of Nazareth. He said, let me tell you something, my brother. Even the man Jesus in the Bible allows somebody to carry his cross for him. What's up now? See, we need someone like Gina in this family. We need her now. And this one that will cook better soup for us. See me and you now. We don't want your machine to finish. Much better cross soup go make us start up.
Thank you, well done.
Thank you so much, madam.
Yeah. What are you cooking?
And a vegetable soup.
Hmm.
Hey.
Nice. It's been a while since we had that. And you have refused bluntly to teach me.
You know, say big madam no they like make I stress you. And if she come here now catch you here, she go begin just this shout, go dey shout on top person head.
She is not home, so this is the right time to teach me.
I know, but you know how big madam they do something now. She go no say you don't come here, and she know they carry you play.
She's not going to say anything. Have you noticed that these days she's been quite silent?
And because of that fine brother where they come here. Now why madam don't just day one kind this period?
What fine brother?
That fine brother where they come here every day.
Really? Wait, you think it's because of Donald?
Now, that fine brother where they come here every day. With the look of things, the way me say by the look at my nose, say that fine brother he go good for you anyway because he fine.
Wait, for what? Marriage?
Now.
Hilarious. Are you people okay? Well, you guys should just wake up from your dreams.
But small madam, I feel say the brother go good for you and it don't reach time make you go husband.
Oh, please keep quiet. I need to learn what are the leaves. Which one are you?
Did madam no come?
Mom is back. Happy cooking.
The same to you.
I hope you're happy now. You're not
small madam, you don't reach time make you go husband house. This one when you there your mama house, you don't big like this. You need to go husband house. Even that brother a very fine somebody. They here, you don't want to go husband house. Don't reach you.
Just watching thing. You think I'm done now that you can do all these ones with.
Just calm down. The game just... Are we done? We're not done, but be rest assured that I'm winning this game. Play.
Why are you so confident?
Play now, Bella. Stop talking.
Oh, please. Me
too. Enough of this Donald thing. I've had it enough for today.
Okay. I'm just saying you won. Then our last card game up. Do you still want to play again? At least let me get revenge for Donald.
Oh, please. It's okay with this Donald thing. You guys have been saints and I've gotten a whole lot of it today.
Sis. You sound so pained.
I'm not pained. I mean, you guys are over-exaggerating with our issue. It's nothing.
Oh, well, I want the best for you, right? And I think Donald is that guy.
Bella. Okay. How many times will I have to tell you guys that I am so done with relationships? Like, I don't want to have anything with love again. I mean, I'm just tired. I'm tired of having countless painful breakups, all in the name of my condition. So,
sis, why don't you just go ahead and tell him about your condition at least before you guys start dating?
Wait, what? Bella? Who? How? Wait, did you even think before saying this? How can you even say that?
Well, I mean, if he loves you, why not? You fight for the love.
Oh my God, my baby sister has been watching a whole lot of fairy tale movies. My dear, wake up. This is reality. Nothing like that is happening. I beg, let's play another game. This?
Oh. Mako. How's good, bro? Yeah, I'm good. Oh, Donald here never told me we're having some guests around.
Well, we didn't know we were going to come here.
Okay, it's fine. Well, I have something doing upstairs. I'll see you guys around, okay?
Alright.
Bye, Gina.
Bye.
Yeah.
Mako, my G.
My guy.
Have fun now.
Enjoy yourself. I'll see you around, okay?
Alright, my G.
Bad guy.
Bad boy.
Hello, Mom. Yeah, fine. And you? Okay. Yeah, sure. Now? Alright, see you. Mom wants us home.
Right now?
Yep, right now. Yeah, I have to get going. Bella, let's go. Thank you so much for having us.
Come on, let's say thank you. I enjoy your company, both of you.
Donald, let's be clear on whose company you enjoy.
Both, of course. Stop it.
Hi.
Hi.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
Why are you here?
I came to see you.
See me?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Anyway, I got this for you. Got this for you.
Hello? I'm guessing these flowers are not for me.
Good afternoon, ma.
My dear, how are you?
Fine, thank you, ma.
Thank you. Now you've met whom you want to see, right?
Oh, yes. Yes,
Wait.
I have.
I don't understand the flowers.
They're for you. Take them.
For me?
Yes.
And why did you get me flowers? Huh? What is wrong with you, Donald? I've told you countlessly that I do not want anything aside friendship. If you want a relationship, here is my sister. After all, she's looking for one. Excuse me.
Gina! What has come over you?
Okay,
Gina!
I'm so sorry.
Why is she doing all this?
You see, the thing is that things are just complicated here. I'm sorry.
Complicated how? That's what I'm trying to understand. Why she want to be in a relationship?
I don't think it's in my position to start telling you about these things, okay? I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll try to talk to her.
Thank you.
I'll try. Yeah, fine.
Wow.
Thank you.
Sis, we need to talk. Oh, Bella, what did you say about knocking? To hell with that, okay? We need to talk.
Okay, I won't have you say one more word with that tone when you and I know that I'm older than you.
Okay. Again, to hell with that. Sis, if you want to be addressed as an elder sister, then I think it's time for you to start acting like one.
Just cutting into you, Bella. Why are you talking to me like that?
Well, I should be talking to you. Sis, I can't believe you're rejecting a guy that sincerely loves you for who you are.
Because, listen, he doesn't know, right? If he finds out about my condition, you see him running like the other guys. Trust me.
And sis, I have told you countlessly that Donald is different. Can't you see it? Can't you feel it? He loves you.
Oh, I hear you. Please, I've said it countless times that I am not interested in any man. I don't want a relationship.
Oh, really?
I don't want. Listen, if you are interested, you can go, okay? I give you my blessings. I'm not interested.
Sis, you know you're not being reasonable right now.
Thank you.
I hope you don't regret this.
Hey, someone went jogging without me.
Yeah, I did. And good morning to you too.
Morning. So, what's with this jogging thing? You don't even like jogging, so.
Well, I needed to clear my head.
You needed to clear your head. What's up? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. The thing is, I am thinking of dating Donald. I mean, since you don't want him.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, sure. Nice. Good for you. He's a nice man, right? So,
Yeah.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Are you sure about it?
Oh, of course.
Okay, sure. Good luck.
Okay, now that I've told you, I'm glad it's off my chest now.
Sure. You have my blessings.
Thank you. Out, go and show off.
Yeah, you should. Bye.
Bye.
Come in. Oh my goodness, Donald. How hard is it to understand that I do not want you or your gifts? Why do you keep stressing?
Oh, sorry, I'm not here to see you.
Hi.
Oh, hi, Bella.
How are you?
Yeah.
How are you?
Quiet, how are you? I got this one.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you. Wow. All this.
Oh, yours, honey.
Oh, thank you. Come here. Okay. So what do you want to do? Do you want to do something? Yeah.
Yeah, sure, why not?
What is it? Yeah. So, what do you want to do?
I don't know, maybe see a movie or something.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
A movie.
No, I think it's resting the straight right now. Let me see. Where's the remote? Can we never have the remote, please?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I got it. It there.
Okay. I think I should just go get you something first.
Right? Okay, cool.
What do you want? Water, juice?
Juice is fine.
Alright. Come on.
Missy, can you hurry up? Madam, I don't know what's up. Mama, I told you that I can do this 5 minutes. Don't worry.
Please, what do I go for me?
Donald is here?
Yeah.
Wait, Mom. You know about this?
Know what?
Bella and Donald, they're together now?
Yes, I know. Bella told me she took permission from you before she went for him, didn't she?
Yeah, she did. But that's like, what, 3 days ago? And they're together now?
I don't understand. You clearly told Bella you are not interested, that she can go for him. You said that?
Yes, I'm not interested. I didn't just expect it to happen so fast.
Really?
Yeah.
My dearest sister, you know some people are good at going for what they want, right? Unlike people like you. Yeah, I need to go back to my boyfriend, mommy. Mercy,
Yes, Mama.
please, get me a bottle of wine and 2 glasses, okay? Fast.
Please, sorry.
to go
Why
and
did you
take my
step on
boyfriend.
me? Sorry, it's my mistake. You're so clumsy.
Okay.
It's for my be like say wine don't finish. I'm about to storeroom.
Yeah, he just won.
My guy, honestly.
Hey, guys. Having fun?
Yeah. Do you want to join us?
Nah, just came down to grab a bite.
Oh, okay.
All right. Have fun.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, sure.
This is so fun. Finally. You sound like you're waiting for him to leave or something.
What do you expect me to say? It seems like today is one of the longest days he has stayed since he started coming here.
Oh, longest for you, but it was the shortest for me. I mean, I guess that's how you feel when you're in love with somebody.
Love?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, you both are in love?
Yeah.
Wow, nice. That's why you guys are living together earlier.
Oh. Yeah. But sis, don't tell me you think I'll be with someone that I don't love. I love him. Okay?
Oh.
You know what? You can just do your thing. Let me just go have a shower, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.
So this is love. So It's love. It's love.
Funny.
Okay.
Thanks, Mom. Hi, Mommy.
Oh.
Mommy, how do you see my dress?
Wait, are you going out?
Yeah, I am going on a date with Donald. So, Mommy, how do you see this dress? You like it?
You look gorgeous.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. You're beautiful.
Thank you. Merci. I not see my dress.
I say if I wait. I was make you give me when the back opened.
Just go and enjoy yourself, darling.
I'm going to see you guys later, okay?
Okay.
So have fun. Keep mine. I'll have mine.
I go give mine.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Take care.
Bye.
Wait, whoa, hold on. Mom, didn't you spend the whole day yesterday with him?
Yes. And so?
And they are both going on a date again today?
My dear, that is what love does to the heart. Okay, bring it to the setting.
Okay. So,
You must be crazy. Get out.
I don't dare you.
Oh my God. Bella. Wow. Bella, you mean to tell me that Donald bought you all these?
He's spoiling me so silly. Since at this point, I think I'll ask Messi to start feeding me in the mouth. Cause what? Oh my God.
Sis, come to think of it, does he really love you? Are you sure he's not just getting you these fancy things and taking you to fancy places all because he wants to get into your pants?
Sis, please do not talk about Donald like that. My man is not like that, okay? I mean, you're the only one that is not seeing him for who he is.
You know how guys can be. If you say so.
Really, what is long talk, I beg? What do you think about this one? This looks good.
Oh, I think...
Oh, do you want it? Don't worry. No, take anyone. I have so many of it.
It will suit you more. Like,
are you sure you don't want it?
No.
Really?
I see. Good morning, ma. Hey, is Bella back?
Oh, smallest, madam.
The almighty madam. Please, is Bella back?
Madam, she never come back since yesterday. Oh. I couldn't wonder, okay, what you they do with that fine brother like this? You just go for house, you just go.
You're going with that 5 brother. Will you shut it? Now, just go. Go.
Sorry.
Get out.
Sorry, ma.
Say what you don't know. I'm a bo.
Hello?
Madam, where are you?
I'm at Donald's place. Why?
What do you mean by why? Is it not money where you are for you to come back?
I already called Mom to tell her that I'll be having breakfast in his place. I'll be back later in the day.
Hello? Bella? Wait, did she just hang up on me?
Bella, we need to talk.
Do you want to watch this? This is so interesting, I swear. What's the meaning of this
I
now?
said we need to talk.
Okay, fine.
Now listen to me. Stay away from Donald.
Why the hell would I do that?
You heard me loud and clear. I need you to stay away from him. He's mine, not yours. And you snatched him from me.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
I
really.
remember you saying that I could have him if I wanted to. So what is it?
Yes, I said that. But right now, I want him back. So please stay clear. Okay? He's mine.
You must be joking. You must be dreaming.
Did you just say I must be dreaming?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Now give me that. Give me that. You're not watching anything tonight. And do not dare me.
Gina!
I swear you needed to see how jealous she was. For real. It was that bad.
So, what does she want?
Well, I guess she wants what we have.
What we have?
Yeah. Donald. You see, I don't want to ruin my relationship with my sister because of this whole thing.
Brother, listen. You will not get to that. Okay, I won't let it.
Really?
Yes. Okay. Just be calm, alright?
Okay. Hi. Oh, hi, Mom.
You're back. How was the day?
Fine.
Okay.
Where are you coming from?
Gina, won't you at least tell her welcome?
All I can see is a man snatcher.
Gina, what is wrong with you?
Oh, Mom, you should ask her what is wrong with her. Why won't she leave my man for me? Why?
Excuse me, Miss Gina. If you're talking about the same man that you clearly said I could have, just because you were scared that you're gonna get hurt, then you must be mistaken, okay? Okay?
Oh, wow, Mom. Can you hear her? Tell her to leave him alone. Tell her.
No, I won't. Bella is correct. She's right. Gina, you felt you were not good enough for him. You rejected him because you felt you were not good enough for him. So why do you want him back?
Well, I wasn't ready then, but now I'm ready. I'm better. I want him now. He's mine.
So you think it's some sort of property that you can just abandon and then pick up whenever you feel like? No. We are together now. Donald is mine.
Mom, can you hear that?
Mom, I'll be upstairs.
Didn't I warn you?
Why are you taking sides?
Didn't I warn you that if you don't appreciate what you have, you will lose it?
But he came to me first.
Oh, really?
Yes, he did.
Now you have lost him. So leave him for your sister.
I will not leave him. Never. That will be over my dead body. I won't leave him. Why would he be siding her? Excuse me.
Because of the man.
Then let's not leave him. Mom,
Yes.
have you seen Bella?
I think she said she's with Donald outside, so.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Okay.
She slapped you? Are you okay?
I don't know. I guess I am more shocked than I am hurt.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry you're going through all this because of me.
No, it's fine. It's not your fault. And we are doing all this for a good cause. So,
Have you taken painkillers?
no. Don't worry. I said I'll be fine. You don't have to bother yourself.
Listen, Bella, please be careful, okay? Don't get into another fight with her, alright?
Yeah, I won't. I promise.
And take care of yourself too. Good night.
Wow. Turn it around, let me see. Do not really have eyes for good clothes, honestly.
Yes,
This is
Mom.
good. Looks nice on you.
Yes, Mom, madam. If this one don't tire you to where you go give me make I take do Christmas.
Look at this one.
Oh, you're my favorite present. Don't worry, I'll buy you a new clothes, okay?
Hey, you mean when?
Don't worry about it.
Don't mind her, please. Looks nice on you, honestly.
I'm going to put it on this one for our next date.
That's it.
So you can see how beautiful it is.
Are you looking beautiful?
Like
This. Well, enjoy it while it lasts. Because it won't last long. He's going to return back to me. I can guarantee you that.
jealous freak.
Hi,
Mommy.
Nice guy.
Hey, Mommy, what color of shoes should I use for this?
Shoe, black shoe on the black bag, right?
You think so?
Yes. See the way she's nodding my head. Black shoe on the black bag goes well.
Hello? Donald, it's me, Gina. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I know it's you, Gina. What is it?
Oh, I'm sorry. Is it a good time? I would like to see you.
For what?
Come on, Donald. I want us to talk. Can I come over to you, please?
Alright, sure, whenever.
Alright, thank you. I'll see you shortly.
So, Gina, tell me what's all this about?
About us. I want to talk about us.
Us? Come on, Gina. There is no us. It's just me and Bella. That's it.
How can you even say this to me? I thought you said you loved me. Is it that easy for you to move over to the next person after claiming to love me?
Gina, you clearly said you were not available. What do you expect me to do, huh? Flock around you?
But I am now.
Oh, you are now unavailable. What should I do? Break up with your sister?
Yes, why not?
Because you're available now. Really? Listen, Gina, let me tell you something. I think you should go back home, relax, and think about what you want.
I already know what I want.
No, you don't. Because everything is not going to go your way. Do you understand? Go home, relax, and think about it.
Are you asking me to leave?
I have better things to do upstairs.
No.
Yes. If you're tired, use the door.
Really? You're asking me out of your house? I'll feel my way. Jesus, where is Bella?
Mercy, if you don't answer my question now, you regret knowing me. I said, where is Bella? Where is she? Where?
Smallest one.
Bella!
Come on, let's slice this thing. What's wrong with you?
Bella! Stop it!
What, Mom? Stop it! What is wrong with both of you?
Mommy, she slapped me first and this is not the first time. Yes, you deserve 1,001 more slaps, you man snatcher. Are you not ashamed of yourself, Bella? Snatching your own sister's man, converting my man and making him yours.
Since when? No, since when? You know what? I don't care. You can think whatever you want to think, okay? Since you don't want to realize the value of having him, Donald is mine.
Wow. Are you hearing what she's saying?
Gina, she's right.
What?
Yes. It's either you admit it or you accept it.
Wait, what? Mom? You're supporting Bella? How? You've always wanted me to be with someone and I've found someone I'm interested in finally and you're supporting Bella to have him? God, you're unbelievable. You all are.
Small madam.
What? My friend, come over and finish up.
Small.
The way she slapped me. Every time we do this, darling.
You're not supposed to raise your hand on your sister. You're not supposed to do that.
Smallest madam, I pain you.
I'm so
sorry.
Come on, continue. I am dispaining me.
She can pick and bring ice block, put ice block, you can't go down. I'm sorry.
Mercy, what is wrong with you? Did she slap you as well?
No, but then a small madam just get smallest madam.
Shut up. Now where's the stuff I asked you to bring? And what kept you?
Okay. Big madam said they go. As I go, I come to the television loud way. I don't know increase the volume. I come say, okay, make a go down. Just slap me, madam.
So what were you supposed to bring? My friend, get out and go and get it for me.
Sorry, okay.
Well, finish it up.
You cannot put it to spelling me.
It's okay. Cut it.
That is what you know how to do best. Running away from your problems instead of facing them. So don't come back to this house, oh. Madam, they go, you wish.
Nonsense.
Bella, I need you to call your sister right away. Call her back and tell her everything. What's all this, for crying out loud? This whole drama is taking too long.
Mommy, I'm not going to call back anybody.
Yes, for crying out loud, she's an adult. Yes, so let her figure out her life on her own. If living is going to make her realize her mistakes, then so be it.
Mommy, I'm out of here.
Bella, I'm still talking to you. Are you walking out on me? What is wrong with these children? What kind of children do I have? What's all this? Bella!
I just had to leave. I had no choice. I just had to leave. And the truth is, I I don't have anywhere else to go. That's why I came here. The reason I've been behaving weirdly towards you is it's because I have health challenges and I didn't know how to tell you. My mom told me I was born with it. I had to live the rest of my life knowing that I have a serious health challenge and nothing can be done about it because we've tried. I isolated myself. I never wanted to have a relationship, but I tried and none of them ever seemed to work. And then you came around and I had to make life a living hell for you, and because I thought you lived like other guys did because I'm epileptic. I'm sorry, I didn't know well.
I know.
What? How?
It's Donald, I sent for you. There's something I want to discuss with you. It's even though I don't know how to say it, but I will say it.
Is everything okay? You're scaring me.
Yes, everything is okay. My daughter faced a lot of rejection from men because of her health condition.
She has it.
Yes, I'm going to tell you. I don't do this. It's not what I want to discuss with anybody, but I've seen that you're a good man. That's why I want to open up to you. Ladies, don't judge her. Don't judge us.
Mommy, please don't cry.
Please. Don't cry, Mom. What's the matter?
It's okay. Don't mind me, please. I'm fine. You're a good man. I'll tell you. My daughter is epileptic. Yes. That's why she has been staying away from you.
Listen, Gina. Despite knowing about your health challenges, it didn't change a thing about my feelings for you, Gina. Not even one bit. Listen, I have an uncle who could help you. And while I stayed with him, he helped somebody with similar case as yours. I already gave him a call. I just want to consent.
Thank you so much. I should have told you before.
It's enough for.
Thank you.
Hey, Gina.
Hi.
You know what? Get ready. Somewhere we need to go to.
Where are we going?
Somewhere important.
Which is?
Which is what? Somewhere important. So let's go.
Right, that's fine.
So,
Up.
are we going on a date?
Somewhere important. Move it.
Alright, I'm just in like 10 minutes. Go.
Yeah.
Please stop me, Donald. Why are we here? Huh?
Calm
You
down.
tell me we'll be coming here.
Calm down.
No, there's no way I'm sitting here to listen to whatever anyone has to say.
Gina,
Are you
please.
kidding me?
Please sit down. Okay, just sit down.
I need to go now.
Just sit down. Just sit down, right? Please, sit down.
Gina, sit down. Sit down.
Fine.
Thank you.
Wait.
Gina, listen to me. There's nothing going on between me and Bella. There's no relationship.
No, I'm so sorry. Well, the thing is, I tried to talk to Gina, but she wouldn't listen. Gina can be a very difficult person. I'm sorry.
Come on. Bella, please. Please, I'm begging you. Alright, she's your sister. Let's just try harder, okay? I can't afford to lose Gina. I love her so much.
I know. Trust me, I know you love her. Everyone sees it apart from Gina. But what if...
What's that smile on your face?
What if we pretend to be in a relationship? Now, don't get me wrong, okay? I mean, what if we pretend to be in a relationship to get Gina to be jealous? I mean, I know my sister very well and she's a very, very jealous person. So I think it's going to be a very good idea if we pretend to be together. I'm sure it's going to get her attention.
Are you sure?
Trust me, yeah. Wait, what? How? Yes, sis. There was nothing going on. It was all fake. It was not real.
Wait. Bella, what about the lovey-dovey activities, the kisses?
Sis, just calm
Going
down.
to spend the night.
Just calm down, okay? It was all staged. Mom knows about it too. I would never kiss my sister's man. Never.
Mom, you know about this?
Yes, I'm aware. How on earth do you think I'll allow Bella to be in a relationship with Donald? It can't happen. I won't even allow that.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I mean, you know what you guys just did to me? I was traumatized. I was tormented. I didn't know what I was thinking, and
Sorry, sis. It's all my fault. And we are sorry. But it was the only thing that could come to my mind to do to get your attention. I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Mom. I'm sorry too. I just didn't know what I was thinking at the point, and I busted out on you all. I was so scared of losing him. I'm so sorry. I busted out on you guys, and it's
Okay, Gina. Enough. Okay? You're not losing me. I am right here. And I'm here for you. Okay?
Promise?
Yes. I promise.
What?
Why are you laughing? Why is she laughing?
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
What is it?
Mom, seriously, it seems like this keeps getting too bitter each time I take it. It's horrible now.
But you have to get used to it. That's what will make you feel better.
Yes, you're right. I'm actually beginning to feel better.
Oh, you do?
Hi! Thank goodness. Finally! Hey!
Yes, mommy, finally. Sis, I'm so happy for you.
Oh, thank you. But we all should owe it to Donald, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Mommy, do you want to cry now? Come on. Mom. Aha, speak of the devil. Hello? Oh, really? Alright. I'll be with you downstairs in a bit. Okay? Yeah. Guys, Donald is here. So, bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Mommy, you can be dramatic.
Hey.
Hey.
Why does it feel I'm having a deja vu?
Because we've done it before.
Do you really want to spend the rest of your life with me, Mr. Donald?
It'll be my honor. Yeah.
Then I have no choice than to say yes.